Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Tabitha, the owner of Elegant Living, and this is
Alexi.
Come on in here and tell us hello and tell us where you guys are coming from. We always love to hear that. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Okay, we were just on here. So if you guys didn't watch Lexi's tray, go back down there and watch Lexi's tray. But come on here and tell us hello. Tell us where you come from and all the wonderful things.
Yes, please make sure to share, like, and comment for you guys' chance to win a giveaway on the last Friday of every month.
Yes, we've been having fun with that. Honestly, we've been doing that for what? A couple of months now?
I'd say about 6 months.
About 6 months. Okay, guys, tell us what you love about this video and tell us all the different things. I'm going to show you a whole different tray. So come on over here. Turn it around.
Yes, we're going to turn this around here.
Okay, guys, I'm going to show you a round tray. We love different trays. We put trays all over our houses, and I will honestly tell you one of the best place that I love a tray is in the middle of the table, because if you're going to eat with, like dining there and everything, it's so much easier to be able to pick it up and move it away if you need to. So I love trays, but trays honestly can be on your island. They can be in your living room, on your ottoman. They can be all different places, and they're just so convenient. And honestly, I just love the texture of it, and it gives a place for a vignette, which if you guys seen our Decorating 101, you know what that is. It's honestly just a place to put items that you love. So let's get started. I love a plate holder too when you're decorating. That's really, really, honestly, just a great tool to use. Okay, so we got these cabbages, and if you guys have followed me at all, I know you guys have. So you guys know that I love a cabbage plate. I love all different textures when it comes to dining and decorating, and cabbage is one of them, and especially this beautiful green color for spring. And I don't know about you, but I am totally ready for spring. So I'm going to keep that as my first layer, which is right back here. And I'm going to kind of set it back a little bit further. It's going to just set the tone for building our beautiful tray. The next thing, lemons. If you guys haven't been out shopping, you guys will know that lemons are really popular this year, along with the cabbage. But I think if you put them together like this, look how cute that is. So stunning. Layering your plates on any kind of easel like this, like a plate holder, is amazing. And honestly, guys, it gives you a way to display your beautiful trays and different things like that, or your different plates that you love, but you don't want to put them all out in your hutches and things like that. So this is a great time or a great place to actually display them and get them out. Okay, our very favorite, our bestseller, are tulips. And I don't know about you, but who doesn't love a beautiful tulip like this? What Lexi was just telling you guys in the last video, you can move them around. They're on wire, and I love that. So if you really want it to look a little fuller, you can put them a little fuller and things like that. But look at the cute little pot. I love blue too. Blue and green is really, really pretty. And I love how they already come preset in this little pot. And it looks like, honestly, it looks like the dirt is there already.
It really does. It looks like it's soil.
Okay, so I'm going to put that on this side. And then the next thing I'm going to show you, and this is outdoor safe as well. So I love this little guy. When we got this in, so cute. Is this not darling? I absolutely love the little bunny and the duck together. It's so, so cute. And honestly, guys, I would leave this out. You could leave this out all spring, honestly.
All spring and even into the summer.
Even into the summer. Okay, I'm going to put him nestled down in here. So cute. If you want to see your little lemon, you can put that up a little higher, which is so darling. And look how simple that is, but so stunning. So, so cute.
So cute. I love everything. I love the brightness. I love the yellow of the lemons and the tulips and the duckling. So cute.
I love the brightness of it, and I love how we're pulling the yellow all around. So cute. So easy too. 1, 2, 3. Always a simple tray. If within a doubt, if you can't really put a bunch of things together and you're like, it just doesn't look right, always go with 3s. Okay, guys, I hope this was helpful. Let me know below what was your favorite thing, and we'll see you soon. Bye.